Okay, let's start na. Before we start, let us all pray. Francis, let us all pray.
Sure, wala po akong maisip na prayer.
Just pray from your heart. Dali na.
Lord, please guide us today. Please help us on our lessons in math. And please help us get through all of the hard times in our life. Amen.
Okay, so for starting from today, we're going to have a rotation ng prayer. Diba sa dulo si Frances? Next sa kanya ay si Vince, tama? Sino katabi mo, Frances?
Si Vince po.
Okay, so the next one who will be lead the prayer will be si Vince. Okay po? Okay, so how are you? Kamusta ang grade sa math? Okay lang. I hope na sana is patasin pa natin siya sa second quarter. Yan, tulungan niyo akong patasin ng inyong grade. Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo? May agreement ba tayo doon? Thumbs up kung yes. Thumbs up kung yes. Kung gustong tulungan ko sila sa pagtaas ng grade, thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay.
Ano pa ulit, sir? Ano pa ulit, sir?
Sabi ko, thumbs up if kung gusto niyong tulungan ko kayong tumaas ang grade. Yan, thumbs up. Yan. So, ano tayo? Skip counting. When you say skip counting, you're going to recite the multiple of 2. Recite. Skip counting. Well, let's start from Frances. 2. 2. We have
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22,
hanggang 20 lang.
24,
20 hanggang 10. 20. Next. 3. Cheska. 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Oh, yung walang basahan. Dito ka. Can I see your face? Your face. Okay. Ulit. Walang basahan. Walang yung kamay mo nakaganito. Ayan. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
3,
3.
3,
Close your eyes. Dito. Tingin. Tumingin ka dito.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay. How about 4? MJ. 4. MJ.
4. No, 4, 8, 12, 6.
4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48.
40. 40. Next, 5. Stephen, 5. Skip counting. Stephen, 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Okay, very good. Okay, palakpakan ng sarili. Yan. Palakpakan. Dahil dyan, meron kayong, alam niyo yung fireworks clap. Bibigyan ko kayo ng fireworks clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Shh, shh, shh. Boom! May baon. Okay, so now, I will going to teach you some mathematics tricks. Ayan, dahil hirap na hirap po tayo. So pag-multiply ng math, nag-search pa ako. Ito ay turo pa sa akin ng lola ko, Char. Ayan, so mathematics tricks in multiplying numbers. Do you know how many fingers do we have? How many fingers do I have? 10. Ayan, so 10. Do you know that we can use this to multiply 6 to 10? 6 to 10. Ayan. Sinong marunong nun? Finger method. Finger. MJ, marunong ka?
Po?
Finger method. Finger method sa pag-multiply. Do you know? Or skip counting lang? Skip counting. I will teach you now. Please listen and learn. And all ears and eyes on me. I have 10 fingers, and then we're going to set these in a numbers. We have pinky, ring finger, middle finger, and then yung hintuturo, and then yung hinlalaki sa Tagalog or anong English ng hinlalaki sa anong English ng hinlalaki? MJ. What do we call on this? What do we call on this?
Thumbs.
Thumbs. Okay, we have thumbs, and then this one, what do we call on this? Yung ating hintuturo, o yung pang-point. Ito, yung pang-point. Ayan. So, we're going to set it sa 10. 6. Ini. Everyone, copy me. Copy, copy. Pakita nyo. 6. Ito lang, 6. Let me see FJ. Let me see FJ. Look at this, FJ. 6. Stephen, 6. Here, oh, Stephen. No. The pinky, the pinky. Pinky, where is your pinky finger? Smallest finger. That's thumb. That is thumb, Stephen. The pinky, this one, oh. Yan. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isa pa. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, where is the 9? Where is the 9? 9. Oh, very good, Stephen. 9. 9. Show me the 9. 9. 8 yan, Jessica. 8 yan. 8 yan. 9. D. Point. Ito no, ito 9. No? 9. 9. This is 9. Diba? This is 8. This is 7. This is 6. Okay, paano tayo mag-multiply? For example, 7 times 8. 7 times 8. Naririnig? Napapakinggan? 7 times 8. Okay, give me the 7 here. We have this one. 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tama? 7. And then here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 8. 7 and 8. Point. Align. Shh. Ayan, oh. Kita? Kita? Ayan, pinag-align ko yung 7 and 8. This means 7 times 8. Anong meaning daw nito, Cheska? This means? This means? Princess, this means 7 times 8. Ayan. So as you can see, we have line. We create line. Diba? Tama? We create line here. And then we're going to count from line to below. Yan, pababa. We're going to count it as tens. Tama? We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ilan? Tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ilan tayo, Cheska? Cheska, we have?
20.
70?
20 po.
20? Oh, ito 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Ilan?
50 po.
Para naging 50, di ba we have 5 here, oh. Nakikita nyo? Nakikita? Ayan, oh, 7 times 8, 50. 10, ika-count, we're going to count it as 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then, dun sa taas, we have, ayun, the fingers above. We have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We're going to multiply it. 3 times 2, Stephen. 3 times 2, Stephen. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Stephen, 3 times 2. What is the answer? Go, Stephen. FJ, 3 times 2, FJ.
Wait, 6 in what finger?
6, di ba? Okay na, okay na. 6, 3 times 2 is 6, and then we're going to add here. How many here? We have 50. 50 plus 6 is? FJ, 50 plus 6?
It means 3, 6, 3, 6.
FJ, 50 plus 6. FJ.
Calling MJ or just me?
FJ.
What po?
50 plus 6. 50 plus 6.
56.
Okay, 56. So the answer in 8 times 7 is 56. Intindihan? Nagagets, Frances and Jessica, Gab? Kapag, if you know the, if you memorize naman yung skip counting, that's good. This method is used dun sa mga hindi nakakapag sa ulo ng multiplication table. Okay po? That's why you need to learn this. Ginagawa ko to to help you to cope with your difficulties in multiplying numbers. Next, we have 8 times 8. 8 times 8, Cheska. 8 times 8. Show me. Show me with your fingers. Show me with your fingers. Ayusin mo yung, ano mo, gumit na ka na. Nakita ko sa gitna. Ayan. Nasa gilid ka kasi. Huwag kang maggilid. 7 times 8. 8 times 8. 8 times 8. Patingin ako, patingin. 8. Next. 8 times 8. Nasaan ang 8? Nasaan ang 8? Nasa kabilang 8. Ayan. And then, how are we going that? How are we going to, count? Doon sa baba. From the line, from the line up to below, we're going to count it as 10. 10. Start. Multiple lang 10. We have, open your mic, Cheska. Open your mic. We have
10, 20, 40.
Ito nasa baba lang. Ito lang. Ito.
Yung dalawa po dito sa baba.
Oh, ito lang. Simula dito sa naka-line, pababa. 10. Ang count
10, 40, 60, 70.
line.
70. 10,
7.
40, 70. 10,
Ilan?
40, 60. 80.
10. Sabi mo, 10.
10, 14, 15.
Ano multiple ng 10? 10. Skip counting ng 10.
40. Ay, 10, 15, 16.
16.
10, 40.
Ba't may 40? Stephen, what is skip counting ng 10? Stephen? 10.
10.
Skip counting, 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Next. Cheska, 10. Count ko siya. Cheska.
10, 20, 30, 40.
Kasama tong dalawa na to. Ilan?
10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Ilan?
50.
50? Isa pa. Bilangin mo. 10, 20,
10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
ilan?
Dapat 60 ba?
60. Tama, 60. Diba? O, 1. Tingnan mo muna to. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Ilan? 60. Giget? Ano? Sige na, magtanong. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then, yung natira sa taas, ipag-multiply. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 times 2 is, MJ, 2 times 2?
What, sir?
MJ, 2 times 2.
4.
Ilan? 4. And then, i-add nyo dun sa sagot sa baba. Ilan yung nasa baba kanina? 60 plus 4 is 60 plus 4, FJ. FJ, where is FJ? Wala. Gab, 60 plus 4, Gab.
60 plus 4, 64.
O, 64. Nagigets nyo ba yung sa hand method? O, FJ. Si FJ sa ulo niya ang 1 to 10. Tama? Skip counting. FJ. MJ. Kaya mong skip counting hanggang 10?
MJ? MJ.
Okay, next. Let's have 9 times 8. Oh, give me the 9. Frances, ikaw naman.
Just
Frances.
want to say that I had a laptop already for
70.
some reason.
Oh, later na. 8 times 9. 8 times 9. Give me the 8, Frances. 8 times 9. Where is the 8? Yung makita. Ba't pantay lang? 8. 8 muna, 8. And then 9. 8, 9. Di ba sinat natin siya? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nasaan ang 8? Parehas 9 yan. Nasaan ang 8 muna? 8. 8. 8. Ito, 8. Oh, nasaan ang 9? Nasaan ang 9? Oh, ipagtapat mo. Pagtapat mo. No. 8. Ito yung 9. Itapat mo sa 8. Yan. Ito, ganito. Hindi siya laging pantay. Nasaan ang 8? Nasaan ang 9, Princess? 9. Ipantay mo dun sa 8. I-align. No.
Can I see?
Ganito.
Teacher, can I see?
Can I see, FJ? P?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, patingin ako, Frances. 8 and 9. 9. Align. Align mo. Ipantay mo dun sa 8 yung 9. Just like this, oh. Look at this. Oh. Yan. Balik mo yan. Oh. Gets mo na. Ayan. Ito, 8 times 9. 8 times 9. Ayan, oh. 8 times 9. Gets? Patingin ako, 8 times 9, Gab. Gab, patingin, 8 times 9, sa kamay, 8 times 9. Ayan, Cheska, 8 times 9, Cheska. Next, Stephen, 8 times 9, Stephen, sa kamay. Stephen, kaya niyang sumagot ng 8 times 9 eh. Okay na yan.
Oh, wait. It's counting. 8 by 8? Like that?
No, we're using a mathematics tricks. Ayan o.
Wait. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80.
Okay. Continue. Let's have 8 times 9. Ayan o. Ayan. Next, we're going to count itong simula dito sa nakaline, pababa ng 10. What is the answer? We're going to count starting from the finger that is aligned up to below. Ayan o. Count, Frances, count by 10. Kanina nga, ito kanina, Frances. Oh. Ituro mo, ito. Count. We have. Yung ganito nako, tingnan mo. Itong 9, itapat mo dito sa 8. Hindi siya nakatapat talaga. Ba't nakaganyan ka kasi eh? Ito. Yan. And then count it as by 10. 10, 20. Open your mic. Count.
Ano to? 6, ano?
8 times 9. 8 times 9.
8 times
9. Count. Let's count. 10.
Tatandaan, 6, 7.
Sana? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, how many fingers do we have here? Bilangin mo na lang. How many fingers do we have here? We have? Frances, how many fingers do we have here? Simula dito sa nakalain pababa. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tama? 7. And then 7 times 10 is? 7 times 10. Open your mic.
70.
70. And then? Ilan yung natira sa taas? We have 1, 2, and 1. Multiply. 2 times 1. 2 times 1.
2.
Added to 70, ilan? Gab, added to 70, ilan? 2 plus 70, ilan?
72 po.
72. Ayan. So, ganun lang yung finger method. Ulitin natin siya bukas sa recess nyo. Okay lang ba? Pagkakain nyo, pupunta ako doon mga 10 minutes before continue ng sunod na lesson. Tuturo ko sa inyo yung finger method. Okay lang ba? Okay lang, para mas madaling maintindihan. Okay po? Oh, Stephen, skip counting ng 9. Skip counting ng 9.
9, 18. Oh, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
How about 8? MJ, 8, MJ. Where is MJ? MJ.
Yes, teacher.
Skip counting na 8. MJ, 8. Sana.
8.
Yun o, 9:59 na. Ay, 9:59 na pala. Okay, bukas na lang. Bukas na lang. So, that's all for today. Sana is pag-aralan nyo. Napapanood siya sa YouTube. Actually, mag-send ako mamaya kay Frances. Ha? Send ako kay Frances and then panoorin nyo. Bye-bye. That's all. Bye-bye.
It's now 10, so bye-bye.
Bye-bye.